A very good morning to all and a warm welcome to the most awaited fest of MVJ College of Engineering, SWAYAM 2020.
Every year we organize SWAYAM, the annual cultural festival of MVJ College of Engineering.
Hello and namaskara to all the MVJ engineering students. I am Javagal Srinath and I am also an engineer. Engineering was the core profession, but I became a cricketer. A hobby becoming a profession. What a wonderful combination it was. But I never let the technology down. In 2000, we were instrumental in putting up a wonderful technology for sport, and that was developed in Bangalore. And I took the leading role to make sure that we are not deprived of technology and how technology could help. Technology pervades everything. And in 2001, we were instrumental in putting technology into sport. Even today, the core concept of technology, what you see on television, is that concept which started in 2001. All I would like to say is that look into the deficiencies of the world, in the society, in your own country, and then apply technology, what you learn. And that's probably the best way to look forward with your career. I would also like to take this opportunity to wish all of you for the wonderful function or for the wonderful initiative that your college has taken in conducting virtual SWAYAM 2020. To the participant of the virtual SWAYAM 2020, this is a wonderful platform to display your talent. Use the digital world to the best of your abilities and exhibit your talent. And I once again wish you all the participants all the luck. Now this is also a time to talk about Corona. It is a disease that has spread worldwide. It's pandemic. I think we need to be conscious. We need to think about it. We need to speak about it, and we need to implement the rules and regulations that we need to live with it for the rest of our lives. We might come across many such coronas in the future. So let's fight this corona together. Let's have the discipline. Let's promote those discipline in wearing masks, in making or in keeping social distances, or whatever that as we discover in the future. So let's fight this corona together and then keep this kind of disease away from us. Again, use your engineering skills to keep these diseases away. Think about it. Think from the eyes of technology how to keep these diseases away. I like to take this opportunity to congratulate the management of the MVJ College and also the teaching faculty for doing a wonderful job. The college is very renowned, it's quite popular in Bangalore. Just wanted to tell you that engineering is the need of the world. And I hope you all become great engineers and then fulfill that gap that what we have in this world. I'm sure you will take this college to better heights and also make a difference in the society. Thank you very much.
Natya Manohari or Indian solo dance.
तेरे इश्क में खुद ही से रूठा रब ने तो ये तस्वीर बनी
Raga Sangam or Indian solo singing is an event where participants were asked to sing only the chorus and not more than one paragraph of the song of their choice.
உற்சாகம் கொள்ளும் கண்கள் நீ எங்கே எங்கே என்று உன்னை தேடி தேடி भी ठहरा है कैसे क्यों ये हुआ
दिया जाए यारा इश्क सदाई का मोल दिया जाए सारे जहाँ के गुनाहों को भी तोल दिया जाए खुशियाँ चूम लूं यारो लूं
जाओ या जी लूं जरा.
An event from Arts Club.
Up next is photography. Dance Club of MVJC. The following events are conducted by Music Club.
It's so late. I know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands.
The trouble that might drag you down. If you get lost, you could always be found.
Knows I'm unfaithful and it kills him inside to know that I am happy.
Spring Sonata or Solo Instrumental is an event where participants were required to play any musical instrument, and the instruments were characterized as percussion, string, keyboard, and wind. Groovy Combat or Solo Bollywood Dance. Participants were given a time limit of 45 seconds.
Mono acting. The event has 2 rounds. The first round is a non-theme round, and students had the freedom to enact anything.
ನಿಮ್ಮಂತ ನೀಟ್ ಜಾತಿಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ.
दादी आज ना आप एक रियल कैरेक्टर की स्टोरी सुनाओ.
Next event is short film. Participants were given an option to shoot movies in languages like Kannada, Hindi or English.
ಏನ್ ಮಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇರೋದು ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಾದ್ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ.
ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಕನಸನ್ನ ನನಸು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಗೆಲ್ತೀನೋ ಸೋಲ್ತೀನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕನಸನ್ನ ನನಸು ಮಾಡೋರ್ಗೂ ನಾನು ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ.
Stop talking. Oh no, I don't think I should stop talking. I think I should start talking. I don't want to be you anymore. None of this would have happened in the first place.
All's well ends well. We now have the announcement of prize winners of Swayam 2020. I congratulate all the winners and participants of various events in Swayam 2020. And up next we have vote of thanks.
We have now come to the end of Swayam 2020. With over 400 participants and prize money worth 1 lakh, we saw intense competition from all around the country, where they made the best out of this pandemic situation. All of this would not have been possible without the help and support of our management. Shri M.J. Balchanda, our chairman, has been the backbone of this event by providing us with all the required resources and pushing us to do more to make this cultural fiesta a unique one. I would like to thank our principal, vice principal, controller of examination and registrar, public relation officer for guiding us throughout this journey. I would like to thank all our winners and participants for their active participation. A special thanks to our core student coordinators, Anurag, Bhavna and Krishna Kamal. I also take this opportunity to thank all the event coordinators. Breaking all geographical barriers, they have been successfully able to organize and coordinate all the events of Swayam 2020. I thank all faculty members for their help in successfully conducting this year's Swayam.